Today, December 4th, I give heartfelt gratitude for the thousands of people gathered at Standing Rock to show their unity, to counsel and commune with each other, to uplift each other in this renewed struggle for our future, a future for all life, a future of peace that sustains many different ways, but most of all sustains a unified foundation that takes into consideration first what we all need to truly survive: our water, air, and soil quality. A trinity that supports unending diversity. This is a chant that has come to me and I've kept in my heart these past few days. Water means life, yes, water is alright. 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 And water is for more than the people. Water is for more than the people. Water is for more than the people. Water is for more than people. Water means life, yes, water is alright. 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 And some say blood, it is thicker than water. Oh, some say blood, it is thicker than water. Yes, some say blood, it is thicker than water. Oh, some say blood, it is thicker than water. But I know blood, it can't flow without water. I know blood, it can't flow without water. I know blood, it can't flow without water. So I say blood, it can't flow without water. Water is life, yes, water is alright. Water means life, yes, water is alright. Water means life, yes, water is alright. Water means life, yes, water is alright. So I will find my relations through the water. I will know my relations by their water. I will find my relations by the water. My relations will protect the water. 'Cause water means life, yes, water is alright. 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 So with all the water within me, I pray that one day we will put aside values better left to each cultural community and collectively network our communities to protect what we all need: water, air, and soil quality. A trinity that feeds unending diversity, finding every way to feed, rejuvenate, and breathe transformation into an epic journey. And in the end, I hope we finally can figure out how to create a journey for us all, sustaining peace. For your journey, I give my gratitude. Thank you. Blessed be.